Hi everyone, this is Andrea Mongeau with Keller Signature Properties, and today we're going to talk about contingencies. So typically when you submit an offer to purchase a home, you may likely have one or even a few contingencies as part of your offer. So we're going to discuss a few of the most popular contingencies, and if you ever want to discuss these in greater depth, please don't hesitate to reach out. So the first one we're going to talk about is a mortgage contingency. Now, if you're going to be borrowing money from a bank to pay for part of the purchase of this home, you have the option of including a mortgage contingency as part of your offer. And basically what this states is that if during a specified period of time, if you submit your application and all of the forms that are required, but for whatever reason, you don't end up getting approved for the mortgage, you are no longer required to make the purchase and you can back out of the deal and still get your deposit back. The next contingency that is very common is a home inspection contingency. Now, this allows you to hire a home inspector to go to the property and make sure that there aren't any major structural issues or other issues that would cost you, typically we say about $1,000 or more. You have the option to negotiate your offer or back out of the deal if you included a home inspection contingency. The other inspection contingencies are pest inspections, which are generally looking for termite damage or any other insect damage. And again, if there's anything major found, you do have the option of backing out of the deal and getting your deposit back. Radon gas. Now, radon gas is a pretty serious gas and it does cause a lot of health issues. So it's something that you do want to consider especially if it's a new home, and because new homes are built really very tight and they don't allow a lot of the air to escape from the house. You don't see radon as much in older homes, but still, you know, it's not a bad inspection to have. So if you do choose to do a radon gas inspection contingency, again, you have a licensed inspector come out and they test the amount of radon gas that is present in the home. If the amount is higher than the standard or normal allowable rate, you have the option of backing out of the deal, or you can negotiate the seller to install mitigation type process where that gets rid of a lot of the excess gas and makes the home safe. So that is radon gas contingency. And then the last one that's pretty popular is the lead paint contingency. And this allows you to have an inspector come out and test the property for lead paint. This is important if you have kids who are young, typically less than 6 years old. On homes built before 1978, they did use lead components in wall material and paint, flooring, roofing. So it's something that is an option for you. If you are concerned with that, I mean, there are definitely health risks and health concerns with lead paint exposure. So, you know, it allows you to be a little bit more knowledgeable about the home you're buying. And so if you include a lead paint inspection contingency as part of your offer, you do have the ability to back out of the deal if lead paint is found and get your deposit back. So with all of these things, these are definitely options for you when you're placing an offer on a home. And hopefully this has been beneficial to you. Again, if you want any other information on this subject or anything else real estate related, please don't hesitate to reach out. Again, this is Andrea Mongeau with Keller Realty.